Okay, the left hand holds and the right hand plays. Oh, no, wrong again. So, the string is C, and A is here, okay?
That sounds bad.
Ugh, enough. It's too hard, all these strings and chords, I'm tired of it.
So, playing the guitar isn't so easy.
Yeah, but you need to think about so many things simultaneously, my brain is gonna explode.
If only there was an instrument with one single string. It'd be much easier to play it.
Huh, I don't know about a one-string instrument, but I've got an idea about much easier.
Are you implying that we're gonna do a cool new craft?
Right you are, Sammy. Follow me. Hey guys, today we're gonna make a barrel organ.
Is it a one-string instrument?
No, Sammy, but it's just as simple to play it. A barrel organ is activated by turning a crank. So just as soon as you turn it, the rows of pipes start playing music.
Sue, it seems like you should know the chords anyway, because here you'll also deal with music.
No, all the chords will be set in advance, so I won't even have to know what the notes look like.
By the way, they sound really strange. I mean, their names are do, re, mi.
Oh, there's a very interesting fact about these names. Each note is named after the first letters of each phrase from the hymn Untitled Laxis.
Guys, do you have any idea what Sue's talking about?
It's a very well-known medieval hymn that was chanted at Vespers.
Interesting. Thumbs up if you didn't know that too.
Classical music used to be very close to religion. Actually, it was kind of a mix of church and secular music.
Like how pop music sometimes mixed with rap?
Great example, Sammy. Guys, check out these colored keys.
Each key has its own color, just like each note has its own sound.
And we can hear it for ourselves right now.
Sounds nice, but kinda simple.
Hold your horses, Sam. When we finish our barrel organ, we'll get a way more complicated sound. Now we'll make a stand for the central part. It's a mechanism that will play different chords automatically. Sam, where are you anyway?
Oh no, what a big mistake! An organ is a huge musical instrument with several keyboards and an endless amount of pipes. I think Sue will be very surprised.
Guys, just imagine how many cool TikToks I can make with this musical instrument. I can't wait to start.
Sue, I've got bad news for you. You'll have to learn chords and play several keyboards simultaneously.
What are you talking about, Sammy? Whoosh!
I'm talking about that giant organ that I saw in the picture. Let me show you. Let's try my magic on this piano. Bibbidi, bobbidi, subscribity. Didn't work. But I'm telling you, Sue, playing the organ is hard.
Sammy, you're confusing two musical instruments. You're talking about a classical organ, and we're gonna have a barrel organ. Totally different.
I thought that giant instrument would defo sound heavy.
You're right, Sammy. A classic organ is used for special events. Its magnificent sound creates a unique atmosphere.
Huh, that's interesting. It's like wearing a business suit at home and at the office. That would be strange. Although, how would I know?
Guys, our stand is ready. Let's attach it to the base like that. Check how it works. Oh, that's so cool, right? It's time to make the central part of the craft. It'll be round because it'll be spinning.
I can't imagine how long it takes to write music for the classic organ.
Actually, not that long. Professional musicians used to write a new composition every week, but that was their job, so they kind of had no choice.
Did you know that Bach wrote over 1,000 compositions?
Well, that's not surprising.
1,000 is not surprising? Although we probably have done more crafts than that.
It's just that in the past, the aristocracy was keen on music.
Like how everyone is keen on TikTok?
Kinda. I mean, every person had to be good at music.
Easy, I listen to music every day.
No, Sammy. All aristocrats were perfect pianists. Most all of them could write music for different instruments.
That's a very serious hobby.
Right. But nowadays, everyone knows how to make a TikTok. Every time period has its own trend, but sometimes old trends come back, but in a new form.
Yeah, Sue, today we have so many masks on Instagram. So cool!
Yeah, but many years ago, Venice was a very popular place for actual masks. You see, people adored them because during carnivals, they could dress however they wanted.
I always dress as I want.
Back then, people had to dress according to their profession and social status.
Oh, now I get why they enjoyed carnivals so much.
Uh-huh. Luckily, we can dress our barrel organ as we like. Check out all these pieces.
Huh. I wonder how slimes were supposed to dress back then.
Oh, maybe like slimes? Something colorful and…
Fancy.
By the way, carnivals are still very popular in Italy and in some other countries.
So what are we waiting for? Let's do our own carnival.
Great idea, but first we need to finish our street organ. Let's speed it up. That's better.
Guys, hit the bell button not to miss our next carnival.
Are you planning to have several of them, Sammy?
Shoot, the Carnival of Venice lasts 1 month and I can squeeze a couple of them during that time.
Huh. Well, why not? Carnivals are really fun.
It's gonna be super fun with our barrel organ.
Okay, guys, we finished the first and most important part, but we still have a lot to do.
So stay tuned and don't go anywhere.
Now we need to make a case for these pieces. They'll be inserted into the barrel of the organ in a certain order. And then they'll make the round pieces move and hit the keys. That's how the music will be created.
So I decided to become a composer.
Great idea. What genre?
I can't say exactly, but it's gonna be cool.
Actually, opera. It's really catchy. There's always a deep meaning. But what, like classic music?
I'll create my own genre, Sam music.
Ooh, sounds great. What mood will your music convey? Because a composition in Baroque style can convey only one mood, for example. Even still, the composition lasts for more than 10 minutes.
No. I want to have different vibes. Fun, happiness, joy, maybe euphoria.
I think I'll be a big fan of Sam music. Well, our case is ready and we can move to the last part of our craft.
It's time for the carnival.
Now we'll play a simple but very beautiful melody on our street organ.
You'll need this, right?
Yes. As I said, we need to insert these pieces in a certain order to actually get a melody.
So, guess what instrument will be the main one for the Sam music genre?
I have no idea. What do you guys think?
So it's simple, a street organ.
Oh, I should have guessed.
Oh, but I need to learn these notes. Oh, too difficult.
No worries. Learning notes can be very fun. You can sing and learn at the same time. It's the best way to study you can imagine.
I think I can try that.
Now our street organ is ready to play a cool melody for you guys.
Come on, try to guess the song.
Any ideas? I'll give you a hint. It's a kid's song about a bus.
I can't hold it any longer. It's wheels on the bus.
It's time for a second melody. Now we're going to play a very famous song. It's called Old Macdonald Had a Farm.
Yeah, this song helps children remember animal names.
Exactly. I remember singing it when I was a little girl. Let's enjoy it.
So I can't wait any longer. Let's go dancing.
All right, and you guys stay tuned. Something special's waiting for ya. Well, guys, are you ready for our rousing carnival?
Ready when you are, Sue. Start the music.
Dance, Sammy, come on and dance.
Yeah! Sue, it's my turn now.
Well, all right.
Now you dance, Susie.
I'm tired. Well, guys, did you like our carnival? Give a thumbs up if you want to do this street organ yourselves.
It's your turn to play, Sue, and you guys don't forget to subscribe.